Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Hofer Kdp semi-automatic case clamp. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Again, this is a Hofer Kdp semi-automatic case clamp. There's very little that your operator has to do. There's really no changeover. There's nothing for them to move. The only thing that they have to remember is this. There are two speeds on this machine. Basically, you have 60 inches per minute of clamping and 120 inches per minute of traveling. And you just want to make sure that you use the clamping when you clamp, because the fast will overshoot it before it hits the sensors. What I mean by sensors is you do have adjustable pressure sensors right up here and here on each beam. We'll go ahead and clamp this piece real fast. This is an 8-way joystick, so you can do close, close, open, 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 close, and open, close. So it really allows you to jog really, really fast. Again, we are in that slow speed. There is a timer, and that timer will open the clamp up when it is done as well. You do have manual and auto. We do have it in the auto mode. So what we're going to do is clamp down on this real fast. As you can see, it just did everything by hitting the joystick. Take a step back and look at this clamp real fast. Nice, clean machine. Hard to find. These are in high demand. And again, when that timer is up, it's simply going to release. And it will open up about 1.5 inches, 2 inches in both axes by itself to release the material in case you want to reclamp something the same size. Again, with jogging, top right is both open. Again, we are in the slow speed, so what we'll do is we'll switch to basically rapid. We're basically traversing both at the same time. Just to show you that everything works. You do have 99 by 56 by 27 inches of clamping capacity. Just take a look real fast. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.